Alright guys, we got Mark at QuickFix here. I just pulled the dash. I'm just going to show you guys the radio code for whoever purchased the vehicle, and let's say a couple years from now you have to replace the battery again. Hopefully this video will always be here so you guys can see it. So there's 3 0 3 4, and this is for whoever purchased this specific vehicle. That's what you have to do, is purchase a car from me. So I'll probably refer you guys to my YouTube channel, and pretty much that's about it. And then once you put that code in, you hold CD, and then now you have your radio. Hey guys, this is Mark at QuickFix here. Alright, so today we're going to be cleaning up the 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse. If you can see it in the background. But I'm gonna vacuum the inside, wash the outside. Then I'll get it inspected. I don't know if I'll do that today or another day, but I will either way put it up for sale, possibly today or tomorrow. But I really want to put it up for sale today. So enjoy the video. Bye. Now we just got to do that door and then we'll be good. Alright, let's get this stuff. This. Oh well, this vacuum's not gonna do me any good, but I'll see what I can do. I might have to get a better one. To get a good clean out of the back seat or inside the car at all. The vacuum's pretty much trash, at least when it comes to my specific situation. I'm gonna show you guys real fast. Actually, pick up these coins. And you can see you still got all the grass back here. It needs I want to say pressure wash. Maybe, well, I guess it would need a pressure wash and a good scrub. Pick up all the grass. There we go, right here. See down there, you can still see all the grass, all that trash. But here's the dash. Looks pretty good. And this clip is what the motor sounds like. And here's a view of underneath the vehicle. Alright guys, there you have it. There's a test drive. Always remember, for better, faster service, QuickFix here. Thank you guys.